Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reschedule your CVS appointment. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you scheduled a flu shot vaccination appointment, but you want to go ahead and reschedule it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, there's multiple ways you could actually go about doing this. One way to do it is to find your confirmation email on CVS. So here's my confirmation email, and if I click onto that, you could actually scroll down, and right over here where it says need to review your vaccinations or change anything, you're going to see view details and manage appointment. Click on that. Now, a new window is going to pop up. This window is going to ask you to enter your birth date. So what we'll do is that we'll enter our birth date and click on next. Now, once we've entered our birth date, you could actually go ahead and reschedule the vaccines here. So once you click on reschedule, it's going to ask you for a new date on which you want to go ahead and schedule the appointment. And it's going to ask you where as well. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your appointment on CVS online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.